Hi, this is John with Flat 6 Motorsports, and today we're going to put an Evolution Motorsports tune on the Project 958 Turbo, looking to increase the horsepower output of this car. EVOMS has been tuning this platform along with the Panamera for a long time. Very trusted reputable tuner that we've used for quite a while and had good results with. So let's get this in the shop, put the tune on it, and then we're going to head to the dyno in a little bit.
So the first step after your Evolution Motorsports programmer is to plug it in the OBD port. You'll read that factory file, and after you read that factory file, what you're going to do is plug it into a computer. You're going to download that, email that file to us. We'll send it to Evolution Motorsports to get tuned. Within 24 to 48 hours, you'll receive a modified file back. You take that modified or tuned file, you upload it to the programmer. Then you take your programmer to the car, plug it back into the OBD port, and flash the car. You'll just go through a write procedure, and then your car's ready to go.
All right, so we're back in the Cayenne. We've loaded the EVOMS Tune. Right off the bat, one thing I do notice is the throttle response has improved. It just has more urgency, but still very smooth. It feels like the timing down low too has been optimized, just, you know, again, with moderate throttle cruising. And then one thing you do notice, again, just right off the bat is just, you know, giving it a little bit of gas, the car just wants to move, you know, in ways it didn't in this stock format. So anxious to get to the dyno. We're headed to the dyno right now to see what this can put down in terms of numbers. And we got a baseline of this car a couple months ago, but you know, in the same configuration. So we'll be able to do a baseline versus the tune poll to see exactly what difference the tune made. So let's get this thing into the dyno and give it a couple runs. All right, so we just got done with the dyno polls, and all three were really consistent. Saw a little heat soaking at the end, but we just did a baseline in the blue and the best polls in the orange. And what you'll see there is an 81 wheel horsepower gain at the peak number, which is really incredible. They said about 80 wheel horsepower, and it absolutely delivered. Picked up 109 foot-pounds of torque as well, so that's gonna be very noticeable. This is a very transformative type of power modification you do to your car, probably the absolute best bang for your buck in terms of modifying your Cayenne. But as you can see, we had a little bit of an issue with the transmission kicking down with the tune on there. So we had to kind of slow roll it and start it later in the power band. So that's why you see a little bit of a delay of it building power. In real world application, it would be probably make a little bit better of a torque number and, you know, hit earlier. So don't be confused by that. But you'll see across the whole rev range, you have a massive area under the curve. Every RPM it's picking up anywhere between about 75, 80 horsepower, all the way up to probably about 120 horsepower in that area under the curve. So really impressed with the Evolution Motorsports tune. Let's get it off the dyno, take it for a little spin on the road, and just kind of feel it out in real world experience. All right, so we just got done with the dyno and really impressed with the results of what this tune did. I mean, over 80 wheel horsepower and over 100 foot-pounds of torque. I mean, you're talking about 100 horsepower at the crank and probably about 130 or so foot-pounds of torque that you're going to gain in this tune. So obviously that's going to be very noticeable. We saw on the dyno plot that goes across the entire rev range. So I'm just giving this very moderate throttle and barely into boost, and you can feel, you know, the car just take off a lot more, and then just go down to manual mode and throw it in sport. This just is in second gear, and once boost kicks on, it throws you back in your seat. Very good power, very good power delivery. The tune itself is also very smooth, so it's very responsive, especially in sport mode. you know, just picks up that input from the throttle a lot better. So I'm assuming they do a little bit of throttle mapping on this, but just overall a very good tune. I mean, that's one of the things in tuning. It's one thing to make power, but you also want to see how it makes power, and this does it consistently across the board. And then you also want the drivability aspects of the tune to be really good. I mean, this is a Cayenne after all, not really, you know, going to be on racetracks. So the peak number, while that is good to look at, you want to look all across the rev range. And then in the car, just feel how it, you know, transitions in between gears, passing people on the highway, you know, just a little spirited push. And this car really delivers that. Yeah, and it just, you know, this is very moderate throttle, and it just goes. I mean, that's one of the things I really appreciate about this tune is it's just really well calibrated. I think, you know, in terms of if you're going to do one modification for your 958 Turbo, they offer for the 955 and 957 as well. This would, to me, be the #1 thing I would do. We kind of waited a little bit. We were doing a few mods to it first, but always knew that this would be the best bang for the buck. And after driving it with some of the parts, it just really, really works well. All right, so there you have it. Tune is easy to install, very effective as you've seen. Really like it a lot. In our next episode, we're going to put the Akrapovic exhaust on this car, make it sound a little bit better. And that will probably round out this build series. It's been really fun so far. Still got a little ways to go. If there's anything else you want to see on this build, you know, drop a comment below. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. We'll roll out with the next update a lot sooner than this previous one. If you're interested in this tune for your Cayenne, we have more information at flat6motorsports.com. And of course, if you have any questions, we're happy to help. Thanks for watching.